wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dewanka. I'm a moderator and as a second speaker from close government team. And then our motion today that the House believes that modern Indonesian soap operas undermine the moral values of the nation here. Okay, and this opportunity we will give to first speaker from opening government team. Time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The honorable judges and respected debate opponents. On this occasion, I am Nurhidayat. I stand as the first speaker to open this debate. We firmly support the message that modern Indonesian soap operas make the moral values of the nation youth. Soap operas as form of entertainment are extremely popular, especially among teenagers and young people in this country. However, they often present stories that are far removed from the noble values that should be in the nation. In many soap operas, we witness negative behavior that are abnormal and even filled with list, violence, and disregard for the social and cultural values that should form the foundation of our society frequently occur in this story. Even worse, modern soap operas often repeat behavior that should not be emulated by the younger generation, such as romantic relationships, infidelity, and problem solving through violence and deception. If this continues unchecked, it will limit the mindset and norms that shape our future generation, ultimately lowering their moral quality and character. Furthermore, soap operas, which focus too much on sensational entertainment, often neglect the important educational aspect necessary for development of character and intellect. Stories that material, personal ambition, and the neglect of family values and mutual cooperation mislead our youth into a false understanding of a healthy and dignified. We believe that modern Indonesian soap operas in many cases are not an effective means of the education. On the contrary, the more often worsen the moral condition of the younger generation. Therefore, with full conviction, we support that motion that modern Indonesian soap operas do more harm than good when it comes to preserving the moral values we should pass on to the next generation. Maybe this is for me. Thank you.
For first speaker. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khalid Chandra Ramadan. I'm from opening opposition team. I'm not agree with opening government because modern Indonesian soap operas do not destroy moral values for the next young generation. Why do I say this? Because in soap operas there are also values or reason for the audience. So that we don't follow this thing and prepare ourselves when we are in that position. What solution should we take? Follow for avoid this so that problems don't happen like what happened in the soap operas, and make it a lesson for ourselves. So, in my opinion, by solving the soap opera, we as viewers have to be careful in a problem or conflict and look for a good solution so that what we face resolve, and so are we have to think what when to do something. We have to think about what impact it will have. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for first speaker from opening team, and then we continue to second speaker from opening movement team. Time is yours.
Bismillah. Thank you for the opportunity, moderator, and the honorable judges, and then the audience. Our motion today is modern Indonesian soap operas image the moral values of the nation's youth. So, as the government team, we strongly agree with the motion because, as our first speaker said, the modern Indonesian soap operas is provide violation. They provide a kind of content of violence. For example, do you remember a film that entitled Dilan 1990?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then there is a time that Dilan punched Anhar, right?
Yeah.
Because of media. Now, if the youth generation watch Dilan film Dilan 1990, they will imitate what Dilan do, and then we don't want that happen. That's really dangerous. So, in this opportunity, I don't want to end the argument. I just want to explore more about what my first speaker said about the example like that. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you for second speaker from opening movement, and we will continue to second speaker from opening opposition. Time is yours. Excuse me.
Okay, thank you. The honorable jury members and friends, all friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Husna Fatima. As the second speaker opposition team, we will read the arguments of the second speaker government team. Alternative media, sports operas do not reflect social reality. The young generation
we get up in the modern era often feel that some operas are not relevant to their lives. Extensive stories, stereotypical criticisms, and new reality conflict often makes up often difficult to expect as the realities of the real life. The real life. The young generations appreciates authentic content, typical their lives strategies or the discussions relevant issues such as education, mental health, and technology. Thank you. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for second speaker from opening opposition, and then we will continue with the first speaker from closing government. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you. The honorable judges and audience. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nari Kusnawati. So, I'm as first speaker from team closing government. Before I go to my new arguments, first I will rebuttal. I will highlight from team opening government for the first speaker. He not explained about the definition of modern soap opera. So now I will give us explain the definition about modern soap opera. So modern soap opera is performance that have developed over time and are influenced by the Western world. So next I will rebuttal the argument from the second speaker from team opening opposition. She said, for modern soap opera, we can take a positive impact, not the bad impact. So I think the second speaker from team opening opposition said have explained by the first speaker from team opening opposition. So we don't need to explain back. That's the point. So next is I will continue to my new arguments. So with modern soap opera, many young generation there is idola. So I think it's not good for young generation. For example, you can see some modern opera, soap opera, famous. And then when I see the commenter, many women want to be boyfriend like the idola in modern soap opera. Now, I think that's one of example the bad impact from modern soap opera. I think that's all from me.
Okay, thank you for second speaker from closing woman team, and then we will continue the second speaker from opening closing. We will continue the second speaker from from closing opposition. Time is yours.
Yes, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Before I will give my opinion myself, but this our most let me introduce myself first. My name is Adi Rahman. I'm from closing opposition. First speaker. As a first speaker. Okay, as we know, in this era, we know the young generation is not only focused not now when we see in real life
not watch the television about the soap opera, but their children always spend their time for hang out together with their friends, and focus gadget and play the games, online games or offline games. When the young generation watch the soap opera, I think the parents should watch together with the young generation, because parent is the important character for the young children. The parents give the children education about the film or soap opera, how to take the give positive or not give negative. Tell the young children how to have many friends, or how to give motivation in the soap opera. And then, as you know, we have many applications have watched in many applications, same like Vision Plus, Video.com, or any else. So that's give our young children give young children what is English, boundaries. Give young children boundaries, and then the application is many to have many payments. Thank you, and that for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And then we will continue to me as a second speaker from closing government. And okay. First, I will strengthen our argument teams that from first speaker said that I will highlight the important point from our team. First, the first speaker said that the shop operas in Indonesia, modern Indonesian shop operas undermine that far from values moral, and then imagine that atau menggambarkan perilaku that's not good to imitate by our generation. And then second point, that's about sensational. That's about content that sensational, that's so far from education aspect. And then that will make bad for our moral, and that or that's undermine for our generation moral. And then the second speaker said from opening position said we can take a lesson or ambil hikmah dari from from Indonesian soap operas, but I think that's not all. We can take the lesson because not all modern Indonesian soap operas can give us or can teach us secara langsung direct the memberikan pengetahuan atau memberikan and then as we know that our generation what they see they will imitate they don't focus with bagaimana cara permasalahan itu diselesaikan. And then second speaker I will say that our team second speaker give the example from Dilan 1990. Yeah. That's imagine if our generation imitate Dilan's kelakuan Dilan. That's not good. That's for a woman. And then I will. And then the second speaker say from opening of session say that our generation can choose the value from this operas. I wanna ask you what values they can take from the operas from the modern Indonesian soap operas. Okay, and then I will continue to my team. First speaker, they say si sudah he has explained about what is sinetron modern or what is soap operas. And then as she said that the that soap operas support the love story or the relationship or the romance. And then that's not bad, but as we know that's not good to our generation. Yeah. And then the first speaker said from closing conversation said that if parents have role to manage the moral values of the nation young. I think that's good, but let me see, that's not all parents, but the young generation have to choose and then have to take the side positive impact. And then I think not all operas, I think not all soap operas can give a good lesson. And then in our argument, I believe that sinetron modern Indonesian soap operas undermine the moral value of the nation youth. And then our motion today is very important. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Okay, thank you for myself, and then we will continue the last speaker from closing conversation. Time is yours.
Bismillah. Thank you for moderator for giving me the opportunity. Our motion today is this house believe that modern Indonesian soap operas undermine the moral values of the nation's youth. As we know, ladies and gentlemen, that Indonesian modern soap operas contains a lot of negative content, like what the government thinks it, the unhealthy relationship, violence, etc. But we have to remember that the youth generation in this era is wiser than the youth generation before. The youth generation in this era can differentiate which one is good, which one is bad. I will not tell you the lie, but I will tell you the truth. This is my younger sister that his age is like 3 years old, and then she can differentiate which one is bad, which one is good. For example, she can differentiate. This is if we do good things such as pray, and then another good things, we will enter the paradise, we will enter heaven. And then if we do the bad things, we will enter the hell. So I want to say that don't look down as this generation, your generation, because our youth generation today is more wiser than us before, previously. Okay.
I really think about that. All young generation in this era think like that. I really, you say like yes, generation now can different the bad effect or no. But I think how do you really say about that? All young generation think can differentiate about the bad or no.
Okay. Thank you very much. Not all children can differentiate which one is bad, which one is good. But that is the role of parents. What our first speaker said, that parents hold the more important role in family. Parents have to tell the children, son or daughter, this is bad, and then this is good, and then they will think, they will try to understand that. Don't look down at young generation today. That is my point. And the second one is, we want to say that our team very contributive in this debate because we provide solution. We don't talk about the bad impacts and positive impacts, but we provide the solution. As our first speaker said that instead of change the soap Indonesian operas, we have to give education to parents, and then parents give education to children. That is our solution. That is why we are very contributive in this debate. So, because the time is enough, I think enough. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Because our debate today is end, so and thank you for second speaker from closing opposition team. And then I think this is enough for today for our debating for our motion today. And then we will close our debate today. We can say Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. And then for the assessment, okay, that's all from us. Thank you. Thank you. And